July Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Botanical Bliss. And when you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just shows you everything that comes in the box as well as where it came from. Next, we have this month's 5x7 art print. This was designed by Miss Sear, and it features these gorgeous flower illustrations with little affirmations with each one. You are enough, you are kind, you are brave, and then at the top it says you are beautiful. Next, we have this weekly planner. This is pretty big. As you can see, it's almost the size of the crate itself, and it has 50 pages, so just about enough for the whole year. You can use this for teaching. You can use it to plan out your self-care for the week. You can use it as a meal planner. So it features these really beautiful flower illustrations, and then I did a little hand lettering in here with some teachery words in the corner, like teach and breathe and rest, as little reminders for you as you schedule out your week. Next, we have this sheet mask. This is from Facery. I love the packaging on this. It's called Soothe Me Tea Tree, and it's a skin clearing mask. And if you've never used a sheet mask before, what it is, when you open it up, I don't know if you can, probably can't see that, but it's like actually a piece of kind of like disposable cloth that already has the mask material on it. So you just put it right on your face and let it sit. Next, we have these super cute flower barrettes. One is the clip style and one is bobby pin style. There are 4 different colors you could get with these. This is the yellow, and these look super cute to hold back your bangs or just as an accessory. Next, we have another kind of wearable item. This is a custom keychain. So this has 3 flowers in beautiful pastels, and then you have to look closely, but it says teacher in cursive on one of the petals. Next, we have 2 washi tapes. The pattern will be different depending on your box, but you'll get one thicker one and one thinner one. Washi is a decorative paper tape, so you can use it to hang your art print, you can use it in your planner, you can use it to put on the back of letters, and like I said, your pattern will be a surprise. Okay. Next, we have a sugar scrub. This is from Love London Scrubs, and this is an all-natural handmade rose sugar scrub. Last, we have this month's treat. These are lavender and coconut shortbread. I had to kind of hunt around to find something that would go with our floral theme, so I was excited to find these. These are from Cafe Warshawski. I hope I pronounced that right. And these are great with tea or iced coffee, and there are 2 included in each crate. So that's everything that comes in the July Botanical Bliss Teacher Care Crate. So again, you have your lavender and coconut shortbread. You get your 2 floral washi tapes, your beautiful flower keychain, your flower barrettes, which could come in different colors. It might not be this one. There's also pink, orange, and mint, I think. I have to double check that. You have your all-natural rose sugar scrub, your Soothe Me Tea Tree mask. This is from Facery. Have your full-size weekly paper planner, your beautiful art print, and of course just your info card. So if you have not already subscribed, you'll need to head to teachercarecrate.com by July 14th to get the July Botanical Bliss Teacher Care Crate. Thanks for watching.